Do your teams struggle with scattered maintenance reports and delayed service? With MAPOG, you can run area-wise field surveys that turn customer issues into clear, actionable insights. Head to story.mapog.com and open Mobile Data Collection. Click Create New, give it a title and description, choose a start and an end date of your project, and enable the option Allow User to add more locations. Then go to Select Point Type and create a new one. Go to Add More Location template and name it and select Geometry Type as Point and add attributes like Service Ratings, Feedback Type, etc. and save it. Then select your new point type from the drop-down and click Save. Next, in Step 2, click Add Question to design your survey form. For example, in a water supply survey, for questions like Connection Type, select Answer Type as drop-down and then click Manage Option and input options one by one. Once done, submit and save it. Do it for other question types as well, like multi-select, Boolean, etc. This ensures responses are structured and easy to analyze. Click Next and move on to Step 3. Select Add New Location by uploading CSV/Excel and upload your file with customer details and coordinates. Select Unique ID, match attributes to columns, and choose Placement by Coordinates or WKT. Once submitted, all customer points appear on your map. Next, in Step 4, click Add Users and then Add Members. Then add members' email IDs and select roles like Admin or Others. Then select members' email IDs from the drop-down and invite them. Click on Map tab to draw polygons to assign areas or use filters to allocate unassigned locations to members. Then launch your survey. On the MAPOG Contributor app, members log in to see their assigned surveys. They fill out questionnaires point by point, save drafts, or submit and update directly. Responses sync instantly with a MAPOG dashboard. Back on the dashboard, use the Overview panel to track submitted, pending, and drafted responses. Filters let you sort by members and status, giving managers a real-time picture of progress. Perfect for utilities to map complaints and assign staff. Telecoms to capture weak signals. Transport teams to track delivery issues, while healthcare to identify facility gaps. Across industries, MAPOG ensures faster responses, reliable service, and stronger customer trust. Start your survey today at story.mapog.com. And if you need help with setup or presentation flow, reach us at support@mapog.com.